My name is Crystal Tai. I'm really happy to have come in third place in the elementary school category at the 2023 CoQuest Ball Tournament. CoQuest is more fun than other coding activities because I can attack real players. My strategy has two parts. First, I create the safe area by setting up the first three columns. I use the type property to decide if I should build with or patch. I also make the control function to deal with the enemy mist. Then I move it to position I0 and started the defense strategy. I create the enemies close and build new ones based on the best income property. I want to thank my family and teacher for their support. I will keep on playing.